What's up, you guys? We're finally gonna be here today switching the cars around. By that I mean Ford is finally going in the garage and it's finally gonna take the place of the RSX. RSX is gonna be outside, Ford is gonna be inside. It's gonna get worked on and we're gonna take the trans out. So basically, yeah, prepare to see videos of the Accord getting worked on again. I'm not gonna go on too much of a deep video of me working on the Accord just because I already took the transmission out before. If you want to see those videos, I'm gonna put it on the link in the description of this video. If not, I'm just gonna put it on top, so whenever the link pops up on top, just click on that and you can go back to the uninstall video of the transmission and me installing the clutch, whatever, because the car already has the FX 350 clutch. If you're new to the channel, that Accord over there is full bolt-on, so it literally has pure oil front pipe, pure oil down pipe, pure oil intercooler, pure oil intake, silicone intake with a custom cold air intake that I built myself. Yeah, it's on K-tuner. Damn, what else I did to this? Has a Mishimo old catch can. Obviously has a Clutch Masters lightweight flywheel, Clutch Masters FX 350 clutch. It has a custom CMC by K20. I forgot his name. His name's on Instagram. I might put his link on the description as well. If I don't, and you want to know what a custom CMC is, just hit me up in the DMs on Instagram or on Facebook, comment, and I'll let you guys know who he is. But that the custom CMC is definitely needed if you want to run a lightweight flywheel on that car. The car won't go into gear unless you get that custom CMC. I tried it and it didn't work, so we need that custom CMC. What else I had done to the car? Oh, it's on eBotch Pro Line lowering springs, I guess. I think that's what it's called. I forgot. It has Federal tires. I forgot which ones, what exact tires I got, but I got them on Amazon. They grip and they hook. I tested out yesterday, which is that last video you guys seen. If you go back to the last video, I literally posted that before this one. It hooked in the rain, so I'm pretty sure on the dry it's gonna hook. Those tires are really good. I got a custom shift boot and shift knob inside in the car. Black grills, black front grills. I got a trunk lip, custom dual exhaust setup. It does have no resonators or mufflers, so that's all deleted, straight pipe back. Tints, obviously. What else I've done to this car? I've probably done something else to it. I've done so many things to this car. It's not even funny. Top of the head right now, I don't really know. But that's what I'm just telling you guys information, because the ones that have been subscribed and that have been watching my videos for a while, they already know. This is for the new people, because there's always new people watching the videos and they don't know what's going on with that car. They think it's stock. It's not stock. It's full bolt-on. And once I fix this situation with the transmission, which is the speed sensor, we're gonna go dyno tune. Hopefully make around 300 horsepower. We'll see. Ew. So we'll see, man. We'll see. As you can see, the Accord is finally in the garage, so that what that means is she's finally gonna get worked on. Finally. Gonna have the hood open. Yeah, that's a custom cold that I was talking about that I did. All wrapped in heat wrap. You can have some of the intercooler piping wrapped up. Yeah, so we're gonna reshred all this out. I might just do a time lapse of everything. Yeah. Anyways, what I'm gonna do now is just gonna jack up the car and have the basically the car jacked up in the air so that I could start taking the car apart. Oh, lug nuts loose. Okay, these did the other side too. That's the first one I did. Now I'm gonna lift it up. As you guys can see, even though it's dark as hell in this garage, lighting's trash. But car's in the air. Car is in the air. So yeah, she's ready to get, you know, prepped. Look at my tires. So you know, the guys are saying that I never installed my new tire. Look, it's a better look. My new tires. Yes, all around new tires. Just, you know, just in case you know, still don't think I put new tires on the car yet. The car wasn't running, but I still put new tires on it. Just to let you guys know, real quick, I do have this mount right here. I'm pretty sure it's this mount. I meant to order the mount that goes on the transmission mount. So for the well, I don't know what it's called, torque mount, the transmission mount, basically on the lower side over there, so I could help with, you know, I don't know how to say it. So you have the wheel hop, so it could help with the wheel hop, but by accident I ordered the wrong one. I think I ordered this top one right here. So I have a Hasport mount for the top. I need to order the right one, and it should be in a box somewhere. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. So as you can see, let me show you guys. Sorry for the lighting, but I do have the mount. See, it's a Hasport mount. So if you guys can see over here, kind of look alike. Put them together side by side. So I think I'm pretty sure I ordered the wrong one, obviously, because the bottom one looks like this one. It just has the ear, it's like a rectangle here. So this one doesn't have that. It's the one that goes up here. I ordered the wrong one. That was my fault, I guess. But I tried to call Hasport to see if I could return this, and they denied me to return it. So yeah, for a big ass company to deny me a return because I ordered the wrong one. I didn't even install it in the car or anything. I just took it out the box, went on there. That's it. Good to go. Well, at least I have one mount. It is what it is. Or I don't know. I might end up giving away just because I don't want to deal with them. Just because they deny my return. I might end up using it as a giveaway. We'll see. It's never used. Literally, guys never see me put it in the car. So we'll see. Either I'm gonna install it and then I'll buy another Hasport wheel hop mount, which goes in the trans on the lower side, or I'll get a different brand, or I'll do a giveaway. We will see. We will see. So guys, this is the next day from the recorded clip that you guys just seen. But I just received I just picked up the intake for the RSX real quick. So I'm gonna install this on the RSX and then we'll get back to the court. Just need to make sure I install this because, you know, my idle, my gas mileage has been trash. So yeah, cord is still there, jacked up. We'll work on it later. So you guys can see what I'm doing. Once I take this off, I can get to the air box. Alright, so now we're gonna take one of the hoses off, the little hose for the air intake. Okay, so got that off. There you go. I already loosened these, so it should be able to come off. There we go. Shit's already off. This is I gotta take the sensor off. Air intake sensor. Alright, take the sensor off. So this goes like this. So I'll make sure the sensor goes on right. Should go like this. Boom. Just like that is on. That's how it should look. Now we're gonna throw these clamps on. So I had to take the air box off just to get this to fit right. So now it's good. Tying everything back on. Already got the stuff connected, the intake connected to the airbox back. And so I got tying the side that goes to the throttle body real quick. Right now I'm just tightening the airbox screws. And then once I'm done tying the airbox screws, I'm gonna go to the throttle body one, and we should be good. Just connect everything back together, and then start the car. See what happens. Old intake. I'll show you guys real quick. So everything's connected. That's the. I took the airbox out, loosened it, put this on back on. I tightened this first, this clamp, and then I connected it to the bottom to the throttle body. Make sure that I put the airbox back on, tying those bolts. Then I put the little holes that connects to the intake over here. Then I tighten the throttle body with the clamp, and then I put the sensor back on. So now we're good to go. I'm gonna start it and see if there's any difference. I'm not gonna reset the battery because I want to see if it resets itself like it always does. And let's start it. It's going down. Let's see if it stays like that. Right now it's revving like idling at that. Hopefully it stays like that. Hopefully it's checking it like leaves. I guess we will see. Alright guys, so we're back in the garage with the Accord. The RSX is running fine. Like the idle is, you know, is where it should be. Checking it like didn't leave, so what I'm gonna have to do is just reset the battery. I didn't want to reset the battery. I was hoping the car would do it on its own, but it didn't, so I'm just gonna reset the battery and hopefully the checking light stays off. If not, the checking light come back on. I'm gonna go to the AutoZone, check the checking light again, make sure that to see if it's the same code or what. But I hope it don't. I hope this fixes the issue. The idle is like down now and it's staying there, so that's pretty good. But right now we're in the garage with the Accord, and what I'm gonna start doing now is start prepping everything. I still can't find my GoPro. I don't know what happened to my GoPro. I really wanted to put the head mount so that you guys could just have like a POV of me doing everything to the car, but I don't have the GoPro, and I can't find the headband, the bandage either. So I would have used my camera instead, but I can't find the head mount either. So I'm gonna try to look for it. If I can't find it, then I'm just gonna do like a basically like well, it won't be no like how to, because I've already done this before. If you haven't seen me do this before, you can go back to my videos, transmission uninstall video. I'll literally show how to take off the whole car apart to take your trans off. So you just go click that and then you can see that. But if anything, I'm just gonna do like a, I don't know, like I'm probably just gonna fast forward a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna probably put you guys down somewhere, and then you guys could basically see me do a couple things, and then I'll skip through to the good stuff, which is what we want to see, is the trans stuff. So yeah, just enjoy the footage. I hope you guys learn something, because like I said before, I've already done this multiple times. You guys can just go click back the video and see it. It doesn't make sense to make the same video again, you know. So anyway, stay with me and just start doing this process. So I did buy a set, as you guys can see, a new set, because I was getting tired of looking for stuff. So at least it's easier for me to find what I need. So yeah. Damn, it's just too tight. Just realized now that I should have broke the axles loose, the bolt, before lifting the car up. I'm gonna try to do it without, but we'll see what happens. Damn, at least you guys get a better view of the tire now. Meaty. Alright, start taking stuff from the engine bay away. I got zip ties on this because I broke the clips. I gotta buy new clips. Needle nose pliers is to take it out. Twist it right off. Come right off. Same thing with the cold air intake. That's off. Zip tie the front out. Alright, so now I'm just gonna start disconnecting the air intake, like the sensors and stuff like this. Like I said, I'm not gonna go too much in detail. I'm just gonna show you guys. It's gonna be like a time lapse. So starting now, it's gonna be a time lapse of taking everything apart. But pretty much, we're gonna be taking out the air intake downpipe that's right here, and actually, obviously disconnecting the battery that's over there. I'll show you guys, and disconnecting the ECU. Pretty much everything on this area, so we can have it cleared to loosen the bolts for the tranny. So yeah, slave cylinder, all that. So yeah, starting.